Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to upload audio to Roblox Mobile. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser. Now go to the search bar, type in roblox.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log into roblox.com, you will be on Roblox dashboard. On this dashboard, you will have to click on the create option at the top. Now when you click on create, you will be promoted to this page. On this page, click on this three-lined icon at the top left corner. Now click on creations. When you click on creations, you will see a page that will look something like this. On this page, scroll this menu bar to the right and click on development items. Now you will see another menu at the bottom of this development items menu. Just click on the audio on this and select upload asset in order to upload an audio. So this is the page where you can upload your audio to Roblox Mobile. Just navigate to the dashboard of create.roblox, click on development items, select audio, scroll down and click on upload asset. When you click on upload asset, you will see an upload button just right here. Make sure that the asset type is shown as audio. You can click on this bar and select another asset if you want to upload it. But we are going to upload audio, so we'll select audio. Now click on upload. Now choose media picker. Now navigate to the audio that you want to upload, select it. Now the file has been uploaded. Now place your cursor in the name section, type a name for your audio, type a description for your audio and click on upload button at the bottom. After clicking on upload, it will take some time and your audio will be uploaded on Roblox Mobile. As you can see, this says English audio that has been uploaded. Now we'll head back to roblox.com/home. Now in order to access your Roblox audio, you'll have to click on the three-lined icon at the top left, select inventory. Now on this page, click on the accessories option under category and select audio. You will see your audio that has been uploaded to Roblox on your mobile phone. So that's a simple way to upload an audio to Roblox on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.